Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this lecture we are going to take one case of aeroplane in which rotor is rotating in clockwise direction when viewing from the rear side and plane taking right turn. Means when view from this side, this is our direction of viewing. This is direction of viewing and it's rotating in clockwise direction. So this is the direction clockwise. So we can say and it's taking right turn. So according to right hand rule, the angular momentum vector would be in this direction. This is our angular momentum vector according to right hand rule. So this is angular momentum vector, and when plane taking right turn, so this angular momentum vector would follow this path, and when plane taken 90-degree turn, then the final position of ls would be this is the angular momentum vector after taking the turn. So as we know that the angular momentum vector always follow the direction of active gyroscopic couple, so we can say this is our active gyroscopic couple, and as a reaction of this, according to Newton's third law, this would be the direction of reactive gyroscopic couple. And this is our axis of precession. Axis of precession, and this is axis of spin. So now we want to find out the effect of reactive gyroscopic couple. So this is the reactive gyroscopic couple, and if this is the direction of couple, or you can say reactive gyroscopic torque, then we know the sense of rotation. Then we can say this will rotate the system in this direction, or we can say this would be the effect of, this is the direction of tau r, and effect of this would be on the plane. This would be the effect, because if this is the direction, then if we curl our finger, then this would be the reactive torque couple. So we can say the tail will be raised, tail will be raised, and nose will be dipped. So this would be your answer. If viewing from the rear side and rotor is rotating in clockwise direction and plane is taking right turn, the effect would be the tail of the plane would be raised and nose would be dipped. So this would be your answer. So thank you. In the next lecture, we are going to take another case of aeroplane and we'll discuss the effect of reactive gyroscopic couple on that. Thank you.